Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Mukhtar Hussain, Assistant Teacher Muhammad Ali Academy. Welcome to you all, my dear participants. We are going to discuss a very important topics for you. You know, my dear participant, I have discussed on degree, superlative to competitive degree, and positive degree. My dear lovely viewer, I am going to discuss today positive to superlative degree. This is very important articles for you, my dear lovely viewer. We every day use different kinds of degree in our real life. So I request all of you to participate in my online class and try to understand what lesson I am going to discuss. I hope you join my class and try to understand what lesson I am going to teach you. So no more talk, now start our lesson. Let us go to whiteboard, please. My dear lovely viewer, positive versus superlative degree. At first, I am going to some structure. Positive degree. At first, you see no other plus noun plus extension. Okay, verb plus so plus positive degree plus as plus subject. My dear lovely viewer, try to understand. At first, in positive degree, we see no other plus noun plus extension, verb plus so plus positive degree, as plus, at last we see subject. For example, number 1, no other river in Bangladesh is so big as the Padma. Okay, my dear lovely viewer, try to understand. At first you see no other river in Bangladesh is so big as the Padma. Okay, this is positive degree. My dear lovely viewer, I am going to change positive to superlative degree. At first, we should have idea about the structure of superlative degree. Superlative degree my dear learner, at first we see subject in superlative degree, then we see verb, and then we see the, and then we see superlative degree, noun plus extension. Okay, my dear lovely viewer, it is very easy to solve in our real life to change positive to superlative degree. If we follow this structure very carefully, we can easily change any kinds of positive degree to superlative degree in our real life. Okay, now by following this structure, we can easily change. At first, the Padma, we can write the Padma is verb, and then we use the, and my dear lovely here, try to understand peak positive degree, turn into here the biggest absolute degree. You know, my dear participant, I hope you have idea about it because I have discussed about it already before classes. The Padma is the biggest river in Bangladesh. Okay, my dear learner, you can easily understand. At first we take superlative degree, the subject, and we use is verb, the superlative degree, and biggest superlative degree of adjective, and river here noun, in Bangladesh here extension. You can easily, by following this structure, my dear learner, it is very easy to change positive degree to superlative degree in our real life. Okay, my dear lovely here, I am going to another example for you so that you can understand it easily. Another example I am going to discuss so that you can understand it easily. My dear, number 2, no other country in the world is so small as Bangladesh. Okay, my dear lovely here, it is very easy if you keep in mind the structure. You can easily positive degree to superlative degree. In the same way, you can easily change. Okay, my dear learner, now look, write down with me, my dear lovely here. I hope you join my class and try to understand my class. Okay, now at first we should take subject here Bangladesh. So we can write at first Bangladesh, and is the, my dear lovely here, small here positive degree, we should change it into superlative degree as smallest. Okay, smallest, and then reverse, and then country, smallest country in the world. Okay, my dear learner, I hope you can understand it easily. If you follow this structure, you can easily change any kinds of positive degree to superlative degree in your practical life. My dear lovely viewer, I am going to discuss another points from positive to superlative degree. When we see the positive degree start with very few instead of no other. How can we change, my dear learner? Try to understand. I am going to discuss. Okay. Now, my dear lovely viewer, very few In this sense, you can see at first, instead of no other, we see very few. Most of something in the positive degree, very few. Okay, very few plus noun in this sense plural, and plus extension plus verb here plural, because we see subject plural, that is why verb also plural. So plus positive plus s plus subject. My dear beloved, here in the same way we can change it, but here we can see very few. This positive start with very few instead of no other. Okay? In the same rule, but my dear participant, in the superlative degree, how can we change? Try to write down with me. Okay? Now my dear participant, write down. I am going to change and you should write down with your khata. Okay? My dear, same way, superlative at first subject and then verb and then on, of, the plus superlative degree plus noun plural plus extension. Okay? Okay, my dear learner. So I am going to example so that you can understand easily. Number 3, very few countries